What's up, y'all? So today I'm super excited to show y'all something different. Y'all know I don't really be doing the locks and stuff like that, especially short locks, but I had to try these. They are super cute. They're called XL Locs by Janet Collection. So let's get into this video. Now, I have to say, this hair, y'all, is so soft. Like you would think by the texture of it, because it kind of has a rough, natural look to it, that it would feel rough, but it's not. Like, it's not at all. Like, looking at it, I thought it would feel kind of like Marley hair, but it's not. It's really soft. It's really like kind of silky feeling. You can feel the texture, but it's not rough on my skin, if that makes sense. Like, it's super light too. Like, it's not heavy at all. And I don't think these are hollow on the inside. They don't feel hollow on the inside. And it's usually what makes hair feel light. Maybe it's the length that makes it feel light. I'm not sure why, but it's not heavy at all. It is super lightweight, very soft, doesn't itch my skin at all, which, you know, says a lot because I'm so sensitive, y'all. Like, it takes something real special not to irritate me. So, especially when it comes to locks. Another reason why I don't wear them a lot. But this hair, y'all, is cute. Now let's take a second to appreciate that knot. You see that? Like, there's no knot. Like, what knot? Okay, no work, no wrap, no knot. I love it. So not only am I using the individual illusion method, like, you can't even see the knot. I don't know if it's the texture that blends it so well, because the hair is textured all the way through, like, the loop, not just down the strand, but around the loop. So when you loop them together, you don't even see a knot. Like, it camouflages it instantly. Y'all, this hair, what's up? So the company sent me 5 packs of hair. I used all 5 packs and I had about 4 strands left, but I felt like it gave me the perfect density. Oh, hey, and did I mention y'all that this was a Shop Beauty Depot exclusive? So if you decide to get this hair, make sure you click on the link in the description box. And if you decide to purchase this hair and the edge control that I'm going to show y'all in a minute, if you use the coupon code SHAYNICHE10, it's going to give you 10% off those products. So this is the edge control. It is CBD and 24 karat gold edge grow. Y'all, like, I like that. I really love it. Now, my hair is a 3C and around the edges is like a 2A on a humid day. Like, I barely have like a lot of curl going on around my edges, so therefore it doesn't take a whole lot to lay my edges down. This edge control I feel like is a medium hold. If you're a 4C, something like that, then sis, this might not be the one. But if you're 3C or above and you just want to lay these edges down, then it's that. And it smells so good, y'all. It's really lightweight. And it doesn't have the stuff in it that's usually in it that I'm allergic to. So that's all good for me. So it smells really good. It has this super like light, soft texture to it. I don't even know how to explain it for real, but I was really feeling it. And also when I use the rubber band method, I do feel a little tightness like the first day or so when I'm doing that braiding pattern. And I didn't have that this time with this one around my edges. And I don't know if that's the CBD in the edge control or what, but I don't know. It was a win for me, y'all. So definitely worth it. If you're a 3C or above, definitely check out that product.
You can find Janet Collections, Nala Tress, XL Locs, and much more at Shop Beauty Depot, your ultimate online one-stop beauty shop. Thanks so much for sending me this hair and sponsoring this video.